Now guys, I would like to invite Joy.
Good evening all of you. My name is Jai. First of all, I would like to tell my memorable day. This journey started from Jamnagar. Me and my family went to Mumbai by Humsafar train. My uncle, auntie and my brother came with us. We visited so many places in Mumbai like Gate of India, Taj Hotel, etc., etc. We ate Mumbai Vada Pav because Mumbai Vada Pav is famous there. We went to Goa by taxi. We visited so many beaches in Goa. We stayed 3 days in Goa. And we went to Karnataka. We stayed in Dandeli Resort in Karnataka. We did fun in swimming pool, game zone. We went to we returned to home. We returned to home. So we stayed 2 days in Dandeli Resort. We did fun in swimming pool. We did fun in swimming pool, game zone, etc., etc. We returned to Jamnagar by Humsafar train. We took 1 day to came home. Really, we so many enjoyed.